Yeah, let's go. Run that. That's you. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, Poppy, look at that stretch. Damn, Poppy. Keep on being. La Dominican Poppy. Stretching,
Ya tú
stretching.
sabes, ya tú sabes.
Let me get them in the back real quick.
No bullshit.
All right, what's up, guys? I ended up going into the edits when I was editing the video, and I noticed that the video that I had recorded at the time was kind of messed up, so I had to redo the video. I ended up making the team, and all is well, so I'm pretty excited about that. I could sit there and honestly, truthfully say that I wasn't so happy with the results that I got on the day of tryouts. I feel like I could have been better conditioned, and it opened my eyes for sure. So you already know, I just got to get to work, and I'm actually pretty happy about it because my coach ended up saying that the training camp that we will have for 2 weeks starts on the 4th of next month. So I have about a 2-week grace period to get ready, prepare my body, hydrate myself, and just try to be as best as I can at that point to, one, prove myself, but two, just be better and be able to hang, I guess, conditionally especially.